Hi guys, today I wanted to go into Jaden's room and redo it, or finish it if you will. We haven't done much to it since we've moved in. We only did what was necessary, so you will see that there's no real decor here yet. And then I just wanted to say that nothing in this video today was purchased recently. These are all items that we had stored in our home somewhere, and also some of them we've actually been using in other areas of the home. The reason this room is so important to me is that most of the items that I'm going to be using in his room, whether it is furniture or decor, is either heirlooms or it was gifted to us by friends or family, which makes it so much more special and filled with so much love. The Tippee Tent that I am putting up was actually made for Jaden by my mom and dad for his first birthday.
That's as long as I've been needing you, and as sure as 5 + 5 is 10, girl, my love will never end. Gonna hold you like it's 10 of me, gonna love you till infinity.
The frames that you see here were gifted to us by a friend, and as you can see, it is a star that was named after Jaden, and that was just such a thoughtful gift. The dragonfly lights that I'm using and that we're gonna hang from the ceiling was gifted to me many years ago. Some of the cushions, the blankets, and some of his bunny soft toys were gifted to us as well. And then also the comforter that we have for Jaden's bed, as well as a lot or most of the cushions, was also made by my mom and dad. My mom's got an embroidery business, so I was lucky enough that she could make these very special handmade items for this room. The walls, I think, still feels a little bit bare, so I might be adding something at a later stage.
Doesn't matter what you believe, it comes naturally. Said it won't happen again, let somebody in. It comes naturally. Oh, smooth and sweet. sweet. You'll never know, never know, never know if you don't let it grow, let it grow. Like honey to a bee, doesn't matter what you believe, it comes naturally. Said it won't happen again, let somebody in, it comes naturally. Smooth and sweet.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
This room is just filled with so much love and light from everyone who plays a part in Jaden's life, and I absolutely adore this room for everything that it is. This was my favorite project to date, and I very much doubt that anything else will be able to compete with this room's makeover. I love sharing this transformation with you, and I hope that I've provided you with some inspiration. You don't need to buy baby specific decor or items for a baby room or a toddler room even. Just go through your home, look at what items you have stored in cupboards and around the house, use what you have, and then only purchase and add to that as you can afford at a later stage. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, I make mommy vlogs, lifestyle and homemaking videos twice a week, and I also just want to thank you for watching and just say that I appreciate you guys so very much.